Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make simple biryani at home. First, let's gather our key ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of good quality basmati rice, 500 grams of your preferred protein like chicken or mixed vegetables, and a selection of aromatic spices. Begin by soaking your basmati rice for 30 minutes. While it soaks, marinate your chicken or vegetables in a mixture of yogurt and your chosen biryani spices. This initial preparation is crucial for a flavorful dish. Next, we'll prepare the individual components. Start by cooking your marinated chicken or vegetables in a pan until they are about 50% cooked through. This ensures they finish cooking perfectly with the rice. Simultaneously, parboil your soaked basmati rice. It should be 70% cooked, still firm but not raw. Finally, thinly slice and fry 2 large onions until they turn a rich, golden brown. These fried onions add incredible depth and aroma. Now comes the exciting part, layering. In a heavy-bottomed pot, create alternating layers of your partially cooked rice and the half-cooked chicken or vegetables. Between these layers, generously sprinkle your crispy fried onions, fresh mint leaves, and chopped cilantro. Finish with a drizzle of 2 tablespoons of ghee or oil for richness. Crucially, seal the pot tightly with aluminum foil and a lid or even some dough to trap all the steam and flavors inside. For the final cooking stage, place your tightly sealed pot on very low heat. Allow it to cook undisturbed for 20 to 25 minutes. This dumb cooking method allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the rice to finish cooking perfectly. Once done, turn off the heat and let the biryani rest for 10 minutes before opening the pot. Gently fluff the rice with a fork and serve your aromatic, homemade biryani with a cooling raita. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.